Introduction to Computers. This is almost a midterm. It's either week 7 or 8. I got 7 written there. But anyway, we talked about multimedia today. And here are the notes. We'll talk about some specifics here in a minute. Kind of see what we wrote down. And we talked a little bit about the internet. So what we did, we talked about video, pictures, music, all these things we can move through the internet now. We can download apps, we can move lots of information. And the reason that works nowadays, and it didn't in the past, even though some people don't remember back that far, we now have great speed. We have lots of bandwidth. We can move these bits per second. We can make something like Netflix work, or a place to store our files like Dropbox or Google Drive. And bring that stuff, no matter where you're connected to the internet, you can get to that information. Multimedia, we talked a little bit about digital images. You know, smartphones can take pictures, and video cameras or cameras, and tablets, and lots of devices now can capture a picture or a video and put it in a digital form. Once we have that, though a lot of people probably don't do a lot with the picture besides share it, but we can manage that image. We can edit it. 2 different types of images we work with. Raster graphics, those are bitmaps that we see the most of, or we have vector graphics. Vector graphics are designed using vectors, lines that connect, and an algorithm that manages what the picture looks like. Okay? Raster graphics, if you change the size of the picture, it may affect the quality of the picture because it's just the bits are representing the dots. Vector graphics, if you change the size of those, they retain their quality. Like if you had a logo, like we talked about the NIACC logo, we can change the size of it and we can retain the quality of that picture. How do we share the pictures? Well, we can use methods out in the cloud. Okay, so there's places like Picasa or Shutterfly and so forth where we can put pictures and either print them coming back, or we can distribute them in ways through the clouds, or distribute them through email, or however. One big issue is depending on how big the picture is in terms of sharing that. Probably the simplest place pictures are being shared nowadays is through like Facebook or Instagram. You know, a place where you can share pictures and videos and use them. So it goes out here into Facebook, and then other people can come into there from the cloud and look at it. Alright, then we did a little bit of work on the iPads today. We did some videoing. So at least we're at the point where we know how to run the video camera on the iPads in order to set up some project work for later on. And that's it.